Welcome to episode 6 of our educational tower lighting series. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of LED tower lighting and why this technology has become the modern standard. For decades, incandescent bulbs were the go-to for tower lighting, but they consumed large amounts of power, had fragile components, and required frequent replacement. Xenon strobes came next, offering longer life and somewhat better efficiency, but they relied on flash tube technology and still posed reliability challenges. The shift to LEDs changed everything. Unlike fragile glass bulbs or flash tubes, LEDs are solid-state semiconductors with no filaments or corrodable contacts. They are shock and vibration resistant, built for the extreme environments towers face, and deliver years of dependable operation. One of the most overlooked benefits of this evolution is the physical design. Traditional incandescent and xenon systems are heavy, with large housings that increase the effective projected area. The surface exposed to wind loading. LEDs, by contrast, are compact and lightweight, which not only reduces the overall load on the tower, but also minimizes wind resistance. This makes them a safer, more efficient option for structural integrity. In addition, LED systems are proven to operate reliably in high RF transceiver environments where older technologies could be vulnerable to interference or failures. The advantages of LED tower lighting are extensive. First, long operational life is one of the most important. While incandescent bulbs may last less than a year and xenon tubes require regular replacement, LEDs are engineered to perform reliably for years, often exceeding a decade. This extended lifespan dramatically reduces the need for tower climbs, saving both labor and cost, while also reducing exposure to safety risks. Second, LEDs deliver exceptional energy savings. With LED efficacy now exceeding 300 lumens per watt, LEDs can cut electrical expenses by as much as 90% compared to traditional incandescent systems. That means lower monthly utility bills and a significant reduction in overall operating expenses, while also contributing to a more sustainable, environmentally friendly footprint. Third, LEDs allow for the design of community-friendly optics. These designs provide precise beam control, reducing unwanted light pollution, ensuring that towers remain visible to pilots without flooding nearby neighborhoods or landscapes with excess glare. This makes them more acceptable in urban and suburban settings. Finally, LEDs align with broader eco-initiatives. They generate fewer emissions over their lifetime, are easier to dispose of than older systems, and take into account avian considerations by reducing disorienting light patterns that can impact bird populations. These factors combine to make LEDs not only a better technical solution, but also a more responsible environmental choice. The bottom line? LED technology represents more than just an upgrade. It's a safer, lighter, more efficient, and more sustainable solution that has redefined tower lighting for the modern era. For more tower lighting tips, check out the other episodes in our educational series, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.